Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm making for you all Rouccou rice with peas. Now you know Rouccou is a Trinidadian staple used in cooking. It's that red liquid. I'm using the powder today and it's used in a lot of stewed recipes. So let me show you how easy this one is to put together. To start this recipe, we're going to use a medium-sized pan, and to that we're going to add oil, and I'm also going in with a piece of golden ray, which is totally optional. Once it starts to sizzle, we're going to go in with 1 large onion finely diced and 5 pimento peppers, along with a scallion and a few sprigs of thyme. Season with salt and saute until tender and very fragrant. Next we'll go in with minced garlic once the aromatics here are tender, and you're going to cook this garlic out for about 1 minute. Now we're going to go in with 2 cups of boiled dried pigeon peas. You can use fresh pigeon peas if you wanted to, just make sure and boil it. Make sure it's boiled really nice and soft, and you see, really soft. So give this a mix, and then we'll go in with our washed basmati rice, 1 tablespoon of complete seasoning. And now for the rouccou or annatto, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of this. If you're using the liquid, you can use about 1/4 cup. If you need more, add more. If it's really strong, probably go with 1 to 2 tablespoons. Give that a mix. Allow it to fry up in there for about 5 minutes. And then we'll go in with our coconut milk. So I'm using 1 can of coconut milk. You can use fresh or canned. And I'm also going in with 1 1/4 cups of water. And give this a mix. Now you can taste the liquid and make sure it has enough salt to your liking, and if it doesn't have enough salt, add it at this point. And then once it comes up to a simmer, cover it and allow it to cook for 12 minutes on a medium heat. Now once it's finished and the water evaporates, this is what it would look like. Leave it covered and set it aside to rest for about 10 minutes. After it's finished resting, we'll go in and then fluff up the rice with a fork. And you see how perfect that looks. The rice is perfectly cooked. It's still nice and grainy. And at this point, you can still taste and adjust your salt if you wanted to. And all you have to do is serve. This would go great with some stewed fish or even curry. It all depends on what you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it. Let me know down below what you think. Tag me if you post it to Instagram so I can repost your pictures. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.